Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Um, it's November 2nd. Tomorrow is the US election. So I expect a lot of volatility in the market, equities and cryptocurrency. That's why, see, I'm a day trader in the stocks market, and tomorrow's going to be one of those days when I got to be really cautious. Anyways, let's look at Bitcoin, guys. Quick updates. If you guys remember the last video, I talked about how I did not think that we were going to break above this level just yet. This 14K slash golden pocket of the Fibonacci level. This is a very strong resistance, guys. I mean, to me, this is the final boss of all resistances. If we break above this, there's not much left for us before we hit all-time high, guys. I think it's going to be pretty easy after that. I did say last week that I was expecting us to consolidate right below the resistance, which is very bullish, and then eventually just cut right through it like butter, and then on we go. So something like that. So right now, if you look at the daily chart, we are forming we call that an ascending channel. We have the higher high and higher lows here coming up to the resistance. So what I do actually expect to see short term is this support level to hold down here at around 12.4. We could drop to 12.4, guys, and we'll still be bullish, because if you look, I mean, we're pretty overextended right now just from the price action. Now that's traditional technical analysis. With Bitcoin during a bull run, all that goes out the window. So I'm not saying that it can't just continue to blast off and it's just gonna keep, fucking getting more and more overextended. That's just what Bitcoin does in a bull market, But I'm just saying, if you want to look at it from a traditional technical analysis standpoint, we are overextended, and I expect us to break out of this ascending channel and maybe get caught in this support right here, about 12.4, 9, 12.5, something like that. And then we'll make another attempt at the resistance and then finally break through that. That's what I think is going to happen short term. But if you look at the monthly chart on Bitcoin, I mean, we closed. Let's see, we almost got our highest monthly close ever in October, guys. Bitcoin, the highest monthly close ever previously was December of 2017 at about 13,873. That's where I drew this black line here. And then in October 2020, we had a close of 13,802. So about $30 off. I mean, $70 off. We were so close, guys. That would have been nice. That would have been a cool little milestone to have, that we break above and close at the highest level ever in history of Bitcoin. But we'll get there eventually. If it's not November, then it'll be December. We'll get there eventually. I don't think we're gonna stay here long, to be honest. So yeah, and if you look at the yearly chart on Bitcoin, I mean, look at that. That's beautiful, guys. We're pretty much at the top again. I mean, look at that. The only thing we got left is these two little wicks right here, which is, we're at 19K, but we're pretty much there, guys. I mean, this is as bullish as it gets. Any technical analysis expert would look at this chart and they would have to say, yeah, it's looking pretty damn bullish. If you compare that to gold, I mean, we're killing gold, guys. Gold is putting in lower highs with the support. I think gold's gonna break down from here, to be honest. I've been saying that for a long time, but whatever. We're not here to talk about gold. Back to Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, looking real good. I expect short term to be volatile, but maybe sort of bearish short term, somewhat, and then after that, medium to long term, extremely bullish. Extremely bullish.